Your stomach might be unique, but your carbohydrate absorption rates are biologically capped at the exact same limit as nearly every other human. We often hear that fueling is highly personal, implying scientific guidelines are just suggestions. This belief leads runners to rely on intuition rather than biology, usually resulting in severe underfueling during critical race segments. While flavor preferences and stomach sensitivity vary, your body's chemical demand for glycogen replacement is universal. Ignoring these base rules because everyone is different is like ignoring gravity because you have a unique running stride. Let's distinguish the hardware from the software. Your absorption pathways are fixed biological hardware, while your gut's comfort level is adaptable software. You cannot negotiate with the hardware. Human bodies rely on specific transporter proteins to move sugar from the gut to the blood. SGLT1 transports glucose, saturating at roughly 60 grams per hour. This is a human limit, not a personal opinion. To exceed that 60-gram cap, you must introduce fructose, which uses the GLUT5 transporter. This multiple transportable carbohydrate strategy is the only way to reach higher fueling rates required for marathons and ultras. The individual aspect isn't how much fuel you need, but how much your gut can currently handle without rebellion. Gastrointestinal distress often means you haven't trained your gut, not that you physiologically require less energy. You must train your stomach just like your legs. Start with the universal physiological target, test your current tolerance, and bridge the gap through repetitive exposure during long runs. If you rely solely on listening to your body, you will bonk. Your brain's perception of hunger during a race often shuts down right when your muscles are depleting their glycogen stores most rapidly. Here is the evidence-based baseline. Use these numbers as your non-negotiable targets, then adjust the format, liquid, gel, or solid, to fit your individual comfort. Don't use individuality as an excuse to underfuel. Respect the universal physiology first, then customize the delivery method to solve the puzzle. Respect human biology first, then customize for personal comfort.